Kamachielo Jalup Jatend piny Kenya, Profesa Kithure Kindiki, onyero ripode maliekore ni nitiere chwanyruok e kinde kod Jatend piny William Ruto. Kindiki ma oloso e nyasi moro mar arus e gwenge ma Tigoni e kaunti ma Kiambu wacho ni entiere e yweyo mano mar sikuku emomiyo ok osebedo ka inene lela. Olero ni koro oseduogo kendo oketo maino mare e tich.
Left with a few hours. My holiday is coming to an end, and therefore I need to enjoy whatever is left and ignore everything else. Ignore everything else. Completely. Completely. Just ignore everything else. Don't fall into the trap of triviality and small things and small issues and little things and so forth. We have a business. I am glad His Excellency the President allowed me a few days off. I feel so energized. And I believe that this is a year that all of us, we will rally, support the President, and take Kenya to the next level. Asanteni sana.